Good morning, everyone. We are here to discuss an important topic, the genus Listeria, its environment and distribution, the diseases it can cause, and the diagnosis and treatment of Listeria infections. Let's start by looking at the environment and distribution of Listeria. Listeria is a genus of gram-positive bacteria that includes several species. Listeria monocytogenes is responsible for listeriosis, a serious foodborne illness. This type of bacterial infection is found in the environment and in food processing environments, and can have serious complications for pregnant women, fetuses, and people with weakened immune systems. Awareness of its symptoms, as well as forms of prevention and treatment, is important. Listeria is a genus of bacteria characterized by its rod-shaped structure and gram-positive cellular build. Belonging to the Listeriaceae family in the order Bacillales, it was named in honor of British surgeon Joseph Lister, credited with pioneering antiseptic surgery. As of September 2021, the genus comprises 17 recognized species, each having distinct features such as different cell shapes and growth requirements that enable their differentiation and classification. Listeria bacteria are widespread in the environment, with presence in soil, water, and vegetation, as well as in the digestive tracts of animals. Of particular medical importance is Listeria monocytogenes, which has been linked to a variety of foodborne illness cases in food processing settings. These bacteria possess a remarkable hardiness, able to survive and proliferate in a broad range of temperatures and environmental conditions, allowing them to easily colonize diverse habitats. Listeria monocytogenes is a species of bacteria that can cause a serious illness called listeriosis. Symptoms of listeriosis can range from fever, muscle aches, and gastrointestinal distress to meningitis, sepsis, and other life-threatening complications. Pregnant women are of particular concern due to the possible miscarriage, stillbirth, or serious illness for both the mother and fetus that can result from listeriosis. To be safe, it is important to be aware of the signs and symptoms of listeriosis and seek medical help if concerned. Diagnosis of Listeria infections typically involves laboratory tests on blood, cerebrospinal fluid, or other body fluids. Depending on the species of Listeria and the severity of the infection, treatment usually involves antibiotics. In more serious cases, hospitalization may be necessary to manage symptoms and provide supportive care. Prevention and control of Listeria infection is very important and challenging due to its wide presence in the environment and food processing areas. Good food safety habits like washing hands and surfaces, cooking food thoroughly, and avoiding unpasteurized dairy products can reduce the risk of listeriosis. Avoiding high-risk foods such as deli meats and soft cheeses and being aware of the symptoms of infection can also be beneficial. Food processors can achieve further protection against listeriosis by implementing sanitation procedures, monitoring environmental conditions, and using antimicrobial treatments. All of these measures are essential for prevention and control of listeriosis. Thank you for your attention.